Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Let's take a look again on the euro currency. So we can see that in general everything stands according with our trading plan that we have specified. So it even stands surprisingly accurate. So we'll take a look in intraday charts. Here on the daily we're mostly focused on the bit deeper retracement. That's actually normal, and we said that we consider chance to take the long position in the euro currency around the strong support areas, and currently we are watching for 1940-1970. Because this is daily oversold, strong confidence support, and in general in the current retracement we do not see something really curious because this is normal. This market shows the upward reversal swing. You can see the straightforward action to the upside. After this retracement, you can see greater swing up after swing down. So it usually shows the deep retracement when it happens. And then, in fact, currently we are watching for that. Theoretically, even drop to the 1874 will not become something really outstanding. So 618 retracement after the reversal swing, it's also normal. But we hope that with this relatively strong action, because we've got V shape of the reversal, so maybe right from here, market will be able to reestablish the upward action. Since this is a really strong support area, and even if market later will maybe change the direction at the first touch of this strong support, we should get the bounce technical response here, and that's why it's relatively low risk of trying to take a position around this area. So, but based on the context that we have discussed in the weekly report and high time frames, that might become the area where indeed market could reestablish upward action, since we are still focused on a lower standing target on the dollar index and correspondingly higher standing target on the euro currency. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we have agreed to take a look at the hand and shoulders pattern, and you can see the progress stands very accurate. We said it's probably here we should get the bounce. Once it will happen, probably we could keep an eye on even double repo pattern on the lower time frames, and indeed if you take a look at the hourly chart, here was the perfect double repo buy. That was another step that we discussed for scalp traders. It has hit accurately the predefined target. So here's 50% of the whole downward action has been reached. This minimum target of the double repo. Now market turns down. In relation to the hand and shoulders, this is perfect reversal point. As we said, 2070 might become the point where you can also consider taking the short position if you would like to trade this pattern. Since sell-off on the slope of the head stands strong, that's the point that we intend to consider for taking the position. So currently consider downward action stands in progress. Now we're mostly focused on this A, B, C, top, D pattern. So it's by the hand and shoulders. It's OP target 1937. Yes, we have some tricky moment with this 1980 confidence support that could become the barrier on the way down, especially because the minor target of the hand and shoulders, or better to say, it's not quite the hand and shoulders, but of this ABCD pattern. So if you will calculate the 618 minor COP contracting objective point target, you will see that stands in agreement with the confidence. So here stands some tricky moment with whether the market will be able to reach the OP or not. But let's keep watching. It's reaching on the OP is nice. If you'll take a look at the daily chart, because it corresponds to daily oversold. So in general, depending. This is not make an impact on the major idea of the trade, because actually we are watching for the range, and whether the market will stop at 1979 or will drop slightly lower. In general, this is the starting point of the area where we intend to take the position. That's why we will see some really problems with the market to proceed lower, or if we will see on the hourly chart some bullish reversal pattern starts forming. So that might be used for taking the position. Stops initially we should place somewhere below the daily average sold area, something below this area. So Everything currently stands very actually good. You can see there's nothing problems with the scenario that we discussed. So let's keep watching. Those of you who have taken the short position now, you can move steps to the break even and just focus on the possible targets. So nearest destination point that market could reach since 1980, but hopefully, as I said, maybe we will get 1940. So that's the area where you should start thinking about the closing of this outside trade. So that's what we have currently on euro currency.